When they built this house, they added a switch for the lights for the entryway when you come in the door, which is great. But then over here, on this side, they were going to add a switch as well, but they forgot to wire to it, so they just blinked it off. So what I'm going to do is fix that with the Lutron wireless switch. So I replaced the blink with the remote portion, the wireless remote portion from the Lutron wireless switching kit. Now I can turn the light on over here, off, on, and I can dim as well. And then over here, where it was just the regular switch, now I have the Lutron switch as well. And it remembers where you left it dimmed at the last setting as well.